nations barring China, and we'll show you exactly when it comes to the counter strike that is now concerned, because here, according to Donald Trump, he says that so far only the tariffs that has only gone up further from already astounding 104% to 125% on all imports coming in from China. He's called tariffs as a very beautiful thing, but saying that only country that China retaliated, it shouldn't have, and that is why there have been more reciprocal tariffs that has come in China's way. Other countries who are now wanting to have dialogue and wanting to negotiate, the 90-day pause period has now been announced for the other countries, and big relief that is also coming in the way for India as well. That's on when it comes to Donald Trump that has been saying on Truth Social. However, when it comes to, you can see the staggering rise when it comes to tariffs, reciprocal tariffs, retaliatory reciprocal tariffs, all of them that has now been done as far as when it comes to the two biggest economies in the world, which is US and China. So when it comes to in February, 10% hike, that is the baseline. It was increased to double in March, next month to 20%, more than double on the 2nd of April, Liberation Day, 54%. Then because China decided to retaliate, it had now gone up to 104% and a staggering 125% on the 9th of April as far as when it comes to the Chinese imports, the goods over there. Now, this is all coming at a time when it has now led to a full-blown trade war between the two biggest economies. However, a 90-day period, a pause period that has now been announced by the President of the United States for the other countries, where reciprocal tariffs were announced. Srinjoy, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in.